Hello, everybody. Hebro77 here. And what if I told you about Zippo lighters? What's the first thing that comes to your mind besides the awesome picture down there at the end of the half naked chick? Um, Sorry about that, by the way. She is covered up, by the way, so she is censored, so to speak of. But how do you remember how to spell Zippo? Um, well, just stick around because your mind is about to get blown away. Now, I had, um, for the longest time, and you people are going to be like, oh, bro, this isn't no Mandela effect. Or maybe this is an older Mandela effect. I don't know. But what I'm about to show you is the way it's spelled now. And there you are. Zippo lighters. Zippo. Zippo lighters. Made in the USA, wholesale prices. Now, this Mandela effect is given to and credit of Sagittarically speaking. He's the one that came up with the Mandela effect. He told me not to give him credit, but I'm going to give him credit anyway because that's how we do things around here. Um, he's the one that came up with it, and the poor dude ain't got, he doesn't have a website of his own. Now, this is the correct spelling of Zippo, and this is how I remember Zippo being spelled. I used to buy Zippos all the time, and I do remember Zippos being spelled this way. And it's a particular company name. It's not just, the name of the lighter, but it's the company name Zippo, Zippo. Now, here's where things come into play. A lot of people remember this lighter being spelled Zippo, and I have a lot of residual for this. So just hold on now. You're going to see something now that's just going to blow your minds completely away. And usually I'm the first one to say, oh yeah, I remember it with the 1P. And the 2P spelling just looks crazy. But for me, that looks right. Um, but I do have all kinds of residual saying otherwise. So just hang tight, and I'm going to show you this residual. We're going to type in Zippo with the 1P spelling, and you're going to find out there's all kinds of put it in Zippo lighters. Okay. Do you want results only for Zippo lighters? Yes, I do. Thank you. Here we go. Okay. Shop Zippo lighters, Zippo lighters on Amazon. Low prices for Zippo lighters. There's that. Lighters, well, that one has the correct spelling. Let's zoom on down. Lighters. Let's see. There's images of Zippo lighters. Let's go ahead and click on the Amazon site. Zippo lighter eBay. Let's see here. Zippo. See, I looked up Zippo lighters because there's other products that have the spelling that have Zippo in their name and have the spelling Zippo. Videos of, now this is interesting, videos of Zippo, Zippo lighters, but then when you go to look at the videos and the descriptions, it's Zippo, the correct spelling. So let's click this first. Videos of Zippo lighters. I got Zippo. A guy talking about Zippo. He's basically just looking at Zippo lighters and the different Zippo lighters throughout the years. What I wanted to show you here is I went and I typed in Zippo, Z-I-P-O, and in the description it says Z-I-P-P-O. I found that interesting. Now check this out. We're going to scroll down. I'm on the Amazon website. We're going to scroll on down and see if we can run across. So far I'm only seeing the spelling of Zippo, Z-I-P-P-O. But when I put it in the search engine, of course it said Z-I-P-O. So now what I'm going to do is I can always depend on good old eBay to give me residual for the way everyone's spelling it over there. So, but before we do that, I want to show you guys some other examples. There's other companies out there that have the Zippo name. So let me just click on. We get just by, we got Zippo, Z-I-P-O. And we go ahead and scroll down. That's what we get from Amazon. Zippo, YouTube, Amazon, Z-I-P-P-O. That's funny. We got Z-I-P-P-O here in this search engine result, but up here it's Z-I-P-O. So some people remembered it Z-I-P-O, and they have the now spelling of Zippo, Z-I-P-P-O. But I, like I said before, I'm a 2P man and not a 1P man. Zippo Solid Direct. Seriously, we have Zippo, Z-I-P-O. And that's at eBay. Get your Zippo today. Get Zippo. Let's zoom in on that. Get your Zippo today. Get Zippo, Z-I-P-O. You'd think when they're writing this description, they would have taken the time to at least get the name right. Let's see here. See shopping results for Zippo. Now when you scroll down here, you see Zippo, the correct spelling, Z-I-P-P-O, the way I remembered it, and see shopping results for Zippo. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and go to Zippo post. Go ahead and go to eBay, and like I said before, I get a lot of these residuals from eBay, so we're going to go ahead and go to eBay. Okay, well, these results are kind of mixed. We do have a lot of the IPPO for Zippo. There's that one. I actually used to have this pouch here. I think I might still have it. PPO. Spelling is correct in the description. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of residual for it being spelled with one P. But when I put it in the actual search engine, well, let's see if I can find anything when I put it. Now I put it in the search engine on purpose with only one P, hoping I could find just. Now this happened earlier when I did the Hot Wheels City. I could not find any residual unless I did it in the search engine. But here we go. So there's not a whole lot. These are all 2P Zippos, and it's exactly how I remember it. But let's go back. These are some pretty neat designs, by the way. I'm pretty sure I might have had that one a time or two. But let's see. And in reality, you really don't want to use a Zippo lighter when you're doing that. I burnt my thumb many of times using Zippo lighters on stuff like whoa. They're getting kind of risky here, aren't they? Risque. Some of this stuff is very risque. Maybe that's why it's a 2P Zippos. See, if you had just a 1Z Pippo. That should be the name of. That sounds like a good name for a product. Maybe that's out already somewhere. Pippo. Well, now I can't go back to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in. I've been staying with this long enough. I haven't found any residual. So what I'm going to do is, in the search engine here on eBay, I will go ahead and type it in the right way. Wow, did it change on me? Huh. Okay. Try it with 1P again. And when I put it in at 1P, it says it automatically takes me to the 2P format. So let's tap this. There we go. Okay, now here we go. Now, this is the eBay I know and love. This is funny. Now look. The person here has listed Zippo, Z-I-P-O, and it's Zippo, Z-I-P-P-O, on the picture. You see what I'm talking about, people, when I talk about residual? This is a 1.0 Zippo. Now we've got it. 1.0 Zippo. Let's see here. 1.0 Zippo. You got 2 P's. Why am I saying 1.0? 1P Zippos. Here we go again on the picture. It's got the 2 P's. In the description, we got 1P. So we got a lot of people misspelling Zippo here. Look at this. Zippo, 1P Zippo, 1P Zippo, 1P Zippo, 1P Zippo. I can't really. 1P Zippo there. 1P Zippo. 1P Zippo. This is weird. Oh, wow. Looky here. Even on the picture, Dragon Zippo. It's even on the picture. And it says it with 1P in the spelling, and it's on the picture here too. This might be some really excellent residual, but is that the lighter? Well, it's a picture of a dragon. He's breathing fire. I'm going to assume it is a... Oh, look. No, wait. This is a book. It's a book. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Moving on. Okay. 1-piece Zippo. That's a lighter. 1-piece Zippo. 1-piece Zippo. 1-piece. Look at all the 1-piece. Look how many people are just misspelling the heck out of this thing, man. What the hell was that? That was disgusting. What was that? That's what happens when you use your Zippo and you spelt Everclear over your face just as you go to light your cigarette. That's what that was. 1-piece Zippo. 1-piece Zippo. Wow. Look at all this. Oh, that's a Hippo Zippo. Hippo Zippo. So anyway, it looks as though now that I put it in, spelling it with the 1P, I'm getting a lot of 1P authentic Zippo letter vertical gents wallet brown wallet perfect gift. Wow. What the hell is this? A bikini Zippo? Never heard of that before. Zippo 1P. Is this the lighter? $127 for a freaking lighter? No, that can't be a lighter. What is that? Wide angle weatherized peer detector. Okay, I knew that wasn't a Zippo lighter. Zippo, that's a strange looking lighter. Oh, now here we go. Wait. No, dang it. I thought I had a picture there. These are some sort of protection storage. What are those for? Maybe some of you guys can tell me in the comments. Oh, are these for files? Putting your... What is that? Zippo black. Stackable protective case only. Okay. I don't know what those are. I'm here to look at the lighters, folks. Zippo 1P, Zippo 1P, Zippo 1P. This is totally different companies. But, you guys, let's scroll back up a little bit. There's a lot of Zippos. They're 1P. And they're showing lighters. So, that's enough for me. I would say we got ourselves a bona fide Mandela effect. There you go. Zippo away, man. 1P Zippo. And even though I remember it with 2Ps, it's got 1P and a lot of those spellings, and some of the pictures even had 1P on them. I say that's the best residual we ever found. So what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Let me know how you remember it. Are you a 2P guy? Or a 1P guy? Or a 2P gal? Or a 1P gal? Let me know in the comments section below. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Thumbs down it if you hated it. And don't forget to click that subscribe button if you like this video so you could catch more of my videos. And of course we've got Thirsty Thursday, that's tomorrow night, and Shifty Sunday every Sunday night. For Hebrew 77, that's all I've got for right now. I'm going to call this one Mandela Affected. Good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.